In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your privacy settings in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're new to Microsoft Edge or simply looking to take control of your browsing data, this quick tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps to make sure your privacy settings are exactly where you want them. We'll be focusing on one specific aspect: how to manage the way your browsing data is collected and used. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to locate and open Microsoft Edge. Once you have the browser open, shift your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here you'll see three dots arranged vertically. Clicking on these three dots opens up a menu with a variety of options. This menu is your gateway to customizing your Edge experience. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Settings. Clicking on Settings will bring you to a comprehensive list of all the settings available in Microsoft Edge. From here, you'll notice several categories displayed along the left side of the window. It's essential for us to head into the right one for our task today. On the left-hand side, you'll see a tab labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. This section is pivotal because it encompasses all the settings related to your personal data and how it is managed by Microsoft Edge. Click on Privacy, Search, and Services to proceed. Once you're in the privacy settings, the next task is to find the option labeled Privacy. This subsection specifically allows you to control various aspects of how your online activities are recorded and utilized. Depending on the version of Edge, this may be straightforward to locate, so take your time and ensure you're in the right place. Next, you'll want to focus on the option that says, Allow Microsoft to save your browsing activity, including history, usage, favorites, content, and other browsing data to personalize Microsoft Edge and Microsoft services like ads, search, shopping, and news. This setting is quite significant as it can influence how personalized your Edge experience is. If you decide personalization features aren't something you're interested in, or if you prefer a more private experience without Microsoft logging this data, you can easily manage this setting here. Right next to this option, you'll find a toggle button. If the toggle is switched to the right and highlighted, it means the setting is currently enabled. To disable it, simply click on the toggle, and it should switch to the left, indicating that this data is no longer being collected for personalization purposes. And with that, you're done. By following these steps, you have successfully navigated Microsoft Edge's privacy settings to take control of how your browsing data is collected and used. Remember, managing your digital footprint is a great way to ensure you have a browsing experience that suits your privacy preferences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.